Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations. In this tutorial, we're showing you how to make sock cupcakes with Star Wars inspired tie-dye socks. During this month of December, we're doing a whole series of Star Wars inspired tie-dye. These socks would be great for creating the Star Wars sock cupcakes. By December 20th, there will be 7 in total, and you can view those by clicking the little info button in the top right-hand corner of this screen. To make these Star Wars sock cupcakes, you will need the following supplies. Don't forget that you can find the free pattern that includes the template for the sock cupcake holder in the description down below. Begin by taking the first sock and folding the foot part in half and just begin twisting. You'll gradually become lower and lower this way, but it's very gradual. When you get near the heel, fold the rest of the sock in half and continue to twist. Then hold that in place with a rubber band. Then take your second sock and at about the halfway point, fold the entire sock down inside. Then do that again, except for coming to the outside. And then one more time. And then place this sock right inside there. You can just place these in a cupcake box, or I'll show you how to create cupcake holders with May the Force be with you on them, which just gives it a little bit more of that Star Wars feel. So print out the template provided in the free pattern that's in the description below. Cut out however many you need, then just wrap it as tightly around the sock cupcake as you can to the point where you're not covering the words, and tape it, and then you're done. I have a 4-count cupcake holder, so I'm going to make 3 more to put in here, but they just fit right in there, just like that. And I'll show you really quick how I make the other 3. To make them look just a little more cupcake-like, you could always add some buttons or pom-poms on top. I wasn't a big fan of that look, so I took them off and liked them better. You just do whatever you like. But once the socks are packaged up, give them to the Star Wars fan, and I'm sure that they will be very happy. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.